SAKRETE Concrete Mix, SAKRETE Fast Set, and SAKRETE PSI 6000 How-To Video, with special appearances by SAKRETE Concrete Expansion Joint and King Gravel. King Packaged Materials Company offers 3 high-quality concrete mixes for constructing slabs, sidewalks, stamping, and patios. These mixes can also be used to create footings or to set posts or holes. All 3 mixes are intended for applications with a thickness over 2 inches. We'll elaborate on the key features and uses of each product later in the video. But first, we'll take you through the beginning steps to constructing a concrete walkway, which are common and apply to the use of SAKRETE Concrete Mix, SAKRETE Fast Set, or SAKRETE PSI 6000. To start, plan out the area where the concrete walkway will go. Position wooden stakes along the border of the walkway and place corner stakes approximately 1 foot outside of where the finished slab will be. For large jobs, join the stakes together with string such that the corners overlap. Excavate the staked area, extending approximately 6 inches beyond the desired walkway to allow room for forms. Excavate to a total depth of 5 to 6 inches. This will allow for about 2 inches of compacted crushed stone and about 3 to 4 inches of concrete. Use straight 2x4 lumber. Cut forms to length and position so that inside edges are below the string line if present. Drive stakes into the ground every 3 feet to support the forms. Screw all forms, braces, and corners together from outside of the work area. Create a slope of approximately 1/8 of an inch per foot to direct rainwater runoff. To create curves, attach plywood or hardboard to the inside corners of the formwork. Make sure to drive support stakes behind the curved form. Spread crushed stone evenly throughout the framework. We recommend using King Gravel. Compact the gravel using a roller or hand tamper. Now you're ready to select your product and begin mixing. SAKRETE Concrete Mix is a general-use mix that provides strength and durability for new construction or repairs to existing concrete. This product is available in 20 kilogram and 30 kilogram bags. SAKRETE Fast Set is a rapid-setting concrete mix designed for same-day construction and use. This product can be used year-round, including in cold weather conditions above -5 degrees Celsius or 23 degrees Fahrenheit. SAKRETE Fast Set is open to foot traffic in just 3 hours and is available in 30 kilogram bags. SAKRETE PSI 6000 is a fiber-reinforced air-entrained mix that is designed to resist cracking, to provide superior strength, and to protect surfaces from salt scaling damage. If used in the winter, this product can be placed where de-icing salts are applied. SAKRETE PSI 6000 can be open to foot traffic in just 24 hours. It's available in 30 kilogram bags. In terms of mixing, each of the different mixes will require a different ratio of water to mix. Please refer to the mixing ratio printed on the bag of product you're using. For our concrete walkway, we'll be using SAKRETE PSI 6000 due to its ease of finishability. In terms of mixing, empty the contents of the bag into a wheelbarrow for smaller jobs or a mechanical mixer for larger jobs. Add clean water as per the mixing ratio provided on the bag. Achieve a workable mix and avoid a soupy mix. Before pouring the concrete into the formwork, treat the insides of the forms with a commercial release agent or vegetable oil. Then, add the concrete into the frame, slightly overfilling. Level the concrete by moving a straight-edged board in a sawing motion across the concrete. Ensure that the board used is long enough to extend over both edges of the form. This action will remove excess material and fill low areas. Tap the outside of the forms with a hammer to remove air pockets or voids. Next, float the concrete smooth using a wood or magnesium trowel. Stop floating when bleed water accumulates on the surface. After the bleed water evaporates, finish as desired. We're using a broom to produce a slip-resistant surface. For a smooth surface, use a wood or magnesium trowel. Use an edger tool to finish the edges. To control where the slabs crack and ensure they follow a predetermined path, place stress control joints every 5 feet in both directions. Use a hand jointer while the mix is soft, or saw cut about 6 to 18 hours after hardening. Joints should be approximately 1/5 of the full thickness of the slab. If adjoining the concrete slab to an existing structure, place SAKRETE Concrete expansion joint between the slab and the structure. For instance, if you're pouring a concrete slab against a house, place the expansion joint against the existing structure prior to the pour. This will allow the concrete some independent movement. Under normal weather conditions, allow the concrete to set for 1 day. Keep moist for at least 3 days by occasionally spraying a fine mist of water on the area. Cover the concrete with a plastic sheet or a piece of wet burlap to aid curing. Remove the forms and stakes after 24 hours. New concrete can be open to foot traffic in approximately 24 hours. King Packaged Materials Company offers a wide variety of professional-grade, easy-to-use products designed for DIY and contractor-based home repair and improvement projects. Our portfolio includes well-known King and SAKRETE brand products. For more information, visit www.king-products.com.